Okay guys, now I have my fan on downdraft. So yeah, let's see how powerful it is. Let's see how powerful this thing is. Yeah, see, that's pretty powerful. It blows decent amount of air. See, it works. It works good. It's not too bad. It's actually flying. Here's its medium speed. As you can see, it's a very pathetic fan. It's like very pathetic. And also hear this. It's clicking. So it has damaged bearings. And this is low. Basically off. This is how bad this thing is so bad it doesn't even have a low speed. This might be its low speed. This slow. Also, as you can see, it has a bent blade, which I'll tighten up. Because it's obvious it's actually loose. I just wanted to make it wobbly. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna do. And also guys, I took off the pull chain. I was not allowed to tighten up the blade. I was like pulling it down. And yeah, it fell. As you can see, because up there. And yeah, it's very damaged. It's mega damaged. But still, this looks much better now without this pull chain added. Oh yeah, I missed. I'm not behind the TV. But it is very powerful. No lies. No lies. Pretty powerful. Is that? That's good. That. Oh, there you go. I fixed high speed. And here's high speed. It is super powerful.